So what did you think? It's a bit crazy, kind of fun. My observation was basically that. These guys are wild, right? Crazy guys. I think that was my main observation. Yes. And the other thing was, I don't get that bit about when they bring David the water and he pours it out. If I were one of the guys, I'd be like, seriously, King? Like, I just risked my life for that water. Please, drink the water. Anyway, so that's step 2. Let's do step 3 together today, thinking about the historical context. Where does the action take place? This is the first question. Where? The list itself. Lists don't happen anyway, it's a list of people. Then there's the lists of action that the men do, and they're mostly just fighting against Philistine or Moab or something. So, not particularly important at that point. Where does it fit in the bigger story? That's an important one. Do you know where it fits? If you look around just at some of the headings nearby, you'll see where we're up to. I've got an NIV here. The beginning of chapter 11, David becomes king over Israel. So we're right there. We're right at the beginning of David's rule. Just after he's become king, we get this list of his mighty men. And you know where that fits in. We've come into the land, Joshua. It's been a mess with judges. Samuel was appointed Saul to be king. Saul was the human king, the human choice. Hasn't gone so well. God has chosen his king, King David, and he has finally come to the throne. So that's where we're up to. That's step 3. Let's do step 4 as well. And let's, I want to encourage you not just to look ahead in the literary context, not just to look at what has come before our passage, but have a little look at what comes after it as well, because I think that's quite important. And then think about the purpose of this whole book. Because you'll remember from your notes, it's very positive about David. Okay, go to it. So step 4, let's do it.